Hey guys, today we're starting a new series called Fits and Sips. What's up guys, welcome back to Gents Lounge. I'm George. If you have not hit the subscribe button yet, please do that right now. It really helps us out. Today we're starting a brand new series called Fits and Sips. And if you haven't already figured it out, it's going to consist of outfits and cocktails. So basically, I'm gonna take a cocktail that I love and make a corresponding outfit that fits the vibe and the occasion to drink that cocktail. Maybe I'll throw in some inspiration with the color of the cocktail, but we'll see how it goes. So for future videos, I need you guys to leave comments down below of the cocktails you want to see. But for this one, we have partnered with our friends over at Stitch Fix, and I am picking the outfits, and then I'm going to make the cocktails that I think correspond with the outfits. So if you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix yet, basically they are online stylists to help you with your daily wardrobe. So instead of going to the mall and shopping, every weekend to upgrade your wardrobe, Stitch Fix sends you a box, and basically all you need to do is try all your stuff on, see what you like, keep what you like, and send back what doesn't work for your style. So as you can see behind me, I have a whole wardrobe set up, and basically this is what Stitch Fix sent me as my fix. So I got a few button downs, a couple Henleys, some t-shirts, and then a few pairs of shorts for summer. So basically what I asked for is something to fit the summer vibe. So I got a lot of shorts and I got some cool casual shirts for summer. So along with the outfits, I also got two pairs of shoes. They sent these from New Balance and these Authentics from Vans. So if you guys would like new clothing items delivered to your door, click the link in my description below, check out Stitch Fix, and take the style quiz to get your first fix. All right guys, so let's get into the first fit and the first cocktail. So this shirt from 7 Diamonds was the shirt that kind of really stuck out to me as one of my favorites in the wardrobe. So I definitely wanted to do something around this. And I think this kind of gives off a more classier vibe. It is like a very thin, light shirt. It's gonna be great for summer, but also kind of has a little bit more structure to it, so not as casual as some other short sleeve button downs in the collection. So I'm gonna pair this blue shirt with some gray shorts and the gray Vans Authentics, kind of for a nice, like, upscale casual date night. So for the cocktail, we're gonna do a blueberry whiskey sour to go with the vibe of this shirt. Now I think a whiskey sour is a great upscale cocktail that's still gonna be casual enough for a casual date night. So if you wanna make the blueberry whiskey sour at home, what you're going to need is 3/4 ounces of your favorite simple syrup, 3/4 ounces of lemon juice, maybe 4 or 5 blueberries. Throw that in a cocktail shaker, muddle the blueberries so they get incorporated nicely, and then add 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. So put that in a cocktail shaker, shake it up, pour it up into a coupe glass or over ice if you're going to be outside and it's a little warmer out. Garnish with a lemon peel and enjoy. All right guys, so that was fit number 1 and cocktail number 1. Moving on to fit and sip number 2. So I got these shorts from Viore, and they're kind of like a casual running short, but I think they would also work as a swim trunk if you were in a pinch. So we're gonna do some beachy type vibes with this. So I'm gonna pair these shorts with this green shirt right here from Threads for Thought, and I feel like this is perfect casual pool or beach day vibes. So you got nice lightweight shirt, the Henley buttons give it a little more flair to it, and it is this lovely color green. So in honor of this color and a beach vibe cocktail, we are going to make a classic daiquiri. Now I know when most people hear daiquiri, they're thinking of something that comes out of a slushy machine. If you're making a classic daiquiri, this is a classic cocktail that is very delicious, not too sweet, and perfectly balanced. So for the classic daiquiri, you're going to want to take 3/4 ounces of simple syrup, 1 ounce of lime juice, and 2 ounces of your favorite rum. Combine that in a cocktail shaker, shake it up, and serve it up or over ice. Like I said, once again, if you're on the beach, you're gonna need that ice to keep that drink colder longer. Garnish with a lime and enjoy. Okay guys, before we move on to fit and sip number 3, I do want to mention one more thing that I do love about Stitch Fix. And with every fix you get this little packet that has pictures of everything that was sent to you, and it gives you outfit ideas on how to put the outfits together. So if you are not the most stylish person or struggle to wear things in different ways, this is going to help you use things that are already in your wardrobe and incorporate these fixes into your wardrobe. So like I said, guys, the link is in my description down below. Click it, take the style quiz, and check it out. So let's move on to fit and sip number 3. So while I was looking through my fix, this blue shirt from Eventide really stuck out for me. So it has this lightweight fabric that's gonna be perfect for hot summer days, and it just kind of screamed backyard barbecue to me. It's not too classy, but casual enough to kind of dress up a backyard barbecue. So we're gonna wear this shirt, we're gonna style it with some blue chinos, and then I can't decide on whether I'm wearing the New Balance or the gray Vans. So leave me a comment down below if you like the New Balance or the gray Vans better with this look. Now, moving on to the cocktail that will go with this outfit. So I like to fit the vibe of what I'm doing. So like I said, backyard barbecue, super casual. You don't want to be sitting behind a bar making cocktails every 5 minutes. So today I'm going to give you my secret punch recipe. Now, it's not really a secret, but it does work for any spirit you want, any style of cocktail you like to make. You can just make it in a batch and serve it over ice. And I'll tell you what, every time I make this for any party, it is one of the first things to go. So all you have to remember for a really good punch is 1 part sour, 1 part sweet, 2 parts booze, and 3 parts weak. So for the punch we're going to make today, we are going to use 1 part simple syrup, which is the sweet, 1 part lemon juice, which is the sour, 2 parts vodka, which is the booze, and 3 parts a lemon orange tea. So that is the weak part. And the best thing about it is all you have to do is make it beforehand, pour it over ice, and let your guests enjoy. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up the video. Thank you so much for enjoying our first episode of Fits and Sips. If you guys want to participate in the next one, leave a comment of your favorite cocktails down below. I will pick my favorites and I will make corresponding outfits that go with those cocktails. So once again, thank you so much to Stitch Fix for sponsoring this video. There is a link in the description down below if you want to take a style quiz and get your first fix sent to your door. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that helps. See you on the next one. Cheers, guys.